amidst famine. Peter Obi blasts Tinubu's government for lavish spending. In a severe criticism of the current administration, former presidential candidate Peter Obi has accused President Bola Tinubu's government of indulging in extravagant spending, while millions of Nigerians face extreme hunger. Obi, who ran on the Labour Party ticket in 2023, highlighted several instances of what he considers as wasteful expenditure. This includes the purchase of a new presidential jet for $100 million, a 21 billion naira renovation of the Vice President's Lodge, and 15 billion naira allocated for the construction of a National Assembly clinic. The former Anambra State governor didn't mince words, stating, "You cannot ask people to fast while you're feasting." He emphasized that with 38 million Nigerians on the brink of extreme hunger, such lavish spending only worsens the country's dire situation. Obi called on the federal government to redirect its limited resources towards critical development areas such as health, education, poverty alleviation, and security. He stressed the urgent need to invest in agriculture as a means to combat hunger, unemployment, and inflation. During an interview with News Central TV, Obi described Nigeria as the poverty capital of the world, grappling both human and food insecurity. He emphasized this as the two most pressing issues facing the nation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.